Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of 3D printers. On the left, we have the Comgrow Ender 3V2 Neo, the printer that sounds like it should come with a cape. And on the right, the Asani Mini, the printer that's small enough to fit in your backpack, but costs more than your rent. Let's get to it. Alright, let's start with the price. The Ender 3V2 Neo is a cool $199. That's right, folks, less than what you'd spend on a weekend of bad decisions. Meanwhile, the Asani Mini is a whopping $500. For that price, it better print me a winning lottery ticket. So if you're on a budget, the Ender 3V2 Neo is your new best friend. Next up, assembly. The Ender 3V2 Neo claims to be easy to assemble, only 3 steps. Even your cat could do it. On the other hand, the Asani Mini comes fully assembled. Just plug and play. Reviewers for the Ender 3V2 Neo appreciate the straightforward assembly process and helpful YouTube guides, while Asani Mini owners love the convenience of having a printer ready to go out of the box. So if you're the kind of person who struggles with IKEA furniture, the Asani Mini might just save you from a meltdown. Let's talk about auto leveling. The Ender 3V2 Neo boasts a CR Touch 16-point automatic bed leveling technology. Fancy, right? It's like having a robot butler for your printer. The Asani Mini isn't far behind with its easy auto leveling system made for kids and beginners. Reviewers highlight that the Ender 3V2 Neo's auto leveling is highly reliable, while the Asani Mini system is praised for being user-friendly and perfect for novices. So if you've got the coordination of a toddler, Asani's got your back. The build plate. Ender 3V2 Neo has a PC Spring steel magnetic build plate. It's like the Swiss Army knife of build plates. Sticks, bends, and releases like a dream. The Asani Mini has a flexible magnetic build plate too, but let's be honest, it's nowhere near as cool. Reviews for the Ender 3V2 Neo often highlight the versatility and ease of use of its build plate, while the Asani Mini's build plate is noted for its simplicity and effectiveness. So Ender 3V2 Neo takes this round. User interface time. The Ender 3V2 Neo sports a 4.3-inch UI with model preview and supports 9 languages. It's like the United Nations of 3D printers. The Asani Mini, meanwhile, has a 2.4-inch LCD screen. Cute, but not as impressive. Reviews indicate that users of the Ender 3V2 Neo appreciate the large, intuitive interface and multilingual support, whereas Asani Mini users find its more compact screen adequate but less impressive. So if size matters to you, Ender 3V2 Neo wins again. And now, the extras. Ender 3V2 Neo has a silent motherboard, making it perfect for ninjas and people with roommates. Plus, it has a full metal extruder to reduce nozzle blockage. The Asani Mini has one-touch filament loading and is Wi-Fi capable. Reviewers love the Ender 3V2 Neo's silent operation and robust extruder, while Asani Mini users appreciate the convenience of its wireless features and easy filament loading. So if you're lazy and love wireless tech, Asani Mini is your go-to. Overall, reviewers find the Comgrow Ender 3V2 Neo to be a highly affordable and versatile printer with a bit of a learning curve, but great potential for high-quality prints. On the other hand, the Asani Mini is praised for its ease of use, making it ideal for beginners and kids, though it comes at a higher price point. So there you have it, folks. The Comgrow Ender 3V2 Neo and the Asani Mini go head-to-head. If you're looking for affordability and a quiet workhorse, the Ender 3V2 Neo is your champion. But if you want a plug-and-play experience with Wi-Fi and don't mind splurging, the Asani Mini is your tiny titan. Which one will you choose? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, stay smart and happy printing. Product links are in the description.